So what I did, I started a kids conversation. Like, hi everyone, in this video I will be sharing my experience of learning speaking English through the power of listening. Listening is very important because if you don't understand any language, how you will reply? But the question comes, how you will start listening, what things you will listen that will help you to understand speaking English and to have conversation with anybody randomly. So in my initial stage, what I used to do, I used to focus on all four part of learning speaking English. So let me tell you from point to point, like listening, reading, writing, and then speaking. I used to follow all four tips. And if I talk about listening part, then I had started just like any other student. I had also started watching English movie, which was my bigger mistake. It was blunder which I did. So what I did, I started from basic English, like conversational English, where suppose podcast nowadays is available on YouTube channel. You can also follow any podcast Indian speaker who speak in a normal way which we can understand, or else you can choose some cartoon, Indian cartoon, which is broadcasting in English, that will help you to understand English language. And what are the benefit of watching, listening such English conversation? It will one side help you to have grasp over the language, and another thing, it will also help you to get fluency in your speaking English. Yes, it is quite shocking that how it is possible. So I will tell you one story. In our childhood, nobody taught us Hindi grammar, nobody made us write Hindi, nobody told us to read ka kha ga, then you will start speaking Hindi. Yes, we all started speaking Hindi or our native language because we saw the environment, we were living in that environment. So the same thing we have to do for this secondary language, which is English language. We have to learn it by absorbing it from the environment. And now the question comes, from where we'll get the environment? My dear friend, every time opportunity is not waiting or knocking for you at your door. You have to create some time. So for learning English, what learner has to do is create an environment, and that environment will be to watch any conversational video of your choice. But the condition is it should be in a very basic English. Basic English. It should not be advanced English, and never rush to towards Hollywood movie, because those are very professional speaker, or I should say they are native speaker. Their mother tongue is English itself, so they are quite apt in English, we can say that, and it is very difficult to understand them. Even small simple word and sentences are very difficult to understand when US people or British people speak English. We cannot understand them because it is very difficult. And that's why what I did, I started watching news as well, news from English reader. They used to talk in English, but the question came, they were using hi-fi English or related to economics, science, and environment, which was not easy for me to understand, and it was not cup of tea for me. So what I did, I started watching cartoon and kids related conversation, like two children, they are talking to each other, two friends, they are talking to each other, and this way it helped me to understand the gist of language, what they are saying. Friend, for speaking for learning speaking English, it is not necessary that we have to keep speaking every time. No, that will not work at all. You have to maintain the method, all four method: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So the final tip for listening, for improving listening skill, is to watch podcast of Indian people. Do not follow to watch all those Hollywood movies or Hollywood TV serial, because those are very difficult, as I told you. And second thing, gradually start watching English news as well, so that you can understand the vocabulary as well, all the word meaning which you know already. This will be brushing up again and again. It will be infused in your mind, and this will help you to mug up all the word meaning as well. So I think this is all which I wanted to say. In next video I will be coming up with reading and writing skill. How does it help me in speaking English? So thank you.